Right, guys, it is another windy day here. It's Saturday the 13th, and we're getting ready for the greenhouse coming, so I'm still doing a bit of digging. Knackers me out. But another windy day, though. I do see the sunshine, I do see the blue skies. So I'm going to leave you here in a wee sheltered space, and I'm just going to crack on with the digging. So, because I am so excited. This is my first ever greenhouse, or polytunnel, technically, very small polytunnel. It's 3 meters in length by 2 meters in width by 2 meters in height. The height's not going to be a huge problem because I'm only little. I'm only like 5 foot something. So let's crack on with this. Windy or not, at least it's not raining. Maybe see this. Show you the reason why I'm doing this. That's what's under that soil, and under that sheet is all them tiny stones. So, woo! That is windy. No kidding, that is windy. show you that there. That there's good soil. Lovely worms in it. You can't see it. I'm going to throw that in the compost heap. Just want to show you this. This is how I know I'm getting into good soil. Hello guys. It is absolutely chock-a-block of worms. So if the worms are happy to be here, then I'm happy to put it in my compost heap. You saw the other side, no worms at all. But as we get down on here, we're getting loads of worms, so it's good soil. I'm going to keep it. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? That is watercress. This house loves watercress. We eat it with everything. Highly underestimated little plant. And we eat a lot of it. We eat a lot of it. There's some, I'm not sure, that's onion. That's an onion in there. This was all planted up last year. And I thought I'd everything out, but as you can see, it looks like I haven't. What's that? Is that garlic? That might be garlic right there. That might be garlic. As you can see, it has all sprung up again. And hopefully I will get some seed, because this is likely to bolt, if I'm being honest. Those onions and garlic, and that's a wee leek there. those are all likely to bolt and hopefully give me seed for next year. Right, coffee break, and we'll get on with the rest of it. Okay guys, that is the gardening done for Saturday. I'm all ready for the greenhouse. I fully expect to have to decrease the green area on the inside because obviously the frame will have to be buried down into the ground. And I deliberately made that bigger knowing that that would have to be done. Plus, I want to plant flowers around the outside of it. I keep calling it a greenhouse, but technically it's a very small polytunnel. Whoa, oh my goodness! Will this ever end? Right, so planning on planting tulips around the outside of it in honour of my friends at the London allotments, and we shall see how that goes. It's got to be tulips. I am seeing blue skies, but there is persistent strong winds. It's got to get sunny soon. It's got to get sunny soon. Do you want to take a look and see how the veggies are going in the raised beds? I just swizzle you round. Right. If you remember, this is the pea trellis we did. And look at those little grey bits. I don't know what that is, and you see they're brown in there. But they are starting to grow again. I mean, there is fresh growth in it. I just don't know what those wee grey bits are. Do you see that? Don't want to pull it off. My iceberg lettuce is starting to grow quite well. And that's my watercress. We eat loads of that. Look, this one here will show you better. Do you see that? What is all that grey stuff? Is that leaf miner? I've checked the underneath for eggs and I don't see eggs. Don't know. They might have to come out. If that's leaf miner, if that turns out to be that, they'll have to come out and get burnt. And that's more watercress. I plan on letting these go to flower. They're starting to get their true leaves. Let's go up here. As you know, this is the onions and beetroot. Look at my beautiful cauliflowers. And if we look in here, I noticed it this morning. Is it one there? No. Let's go around this way. There we are. Where are we at? No, here we are. Look there, just on the edge. It's being nibbled at. That is probably slaters or pill bugs, whatever way you want to call it. But yeah, my cauliflowers are doing really well. That's broccoli. And these guys, which I think might be some kind of kale, but I'm not absolutely certain. They're getting their true leaves. I'm going to have to make a choice between these two. I'm going to have to make a choice. Yeah. There we go. Choice made. They have to be thinned out, and that's just the ins and outs of it. Tea is still not through. And that's how far we are with that. But everything seems to be growing. I'm only worried about those peas. I might have to pull them out, guys. I might have to. And there's nothing. Whoa, it's raining. That is a courgette. See, it's too cold for it to be out. Yeah, normally I would agree with you. Oh, we've got life here. We've got life here. So which was which? I thought I planted Brussels sprouts in those. Maybe I planted a lot of them. We have life in there. Of course, you're getting covered in water. Right, guys, it's bucketing down with rain again. So we're going to have to go in. Whew. There you go. After me saying I see blue skies, now it's bucketing down with rain. Oh my goodness, no! Right, goodbye. We got that finished just in time.